why, if two people are so madly in love, how come that's not enough to make a relationship work? So it will also show the other factors in having a relationship, other factors about love. It does take a lot of effort and work to have a relationship and a lot of understanding. But with Arky and my character, we're madly in love with each other. And I think sumusobra nga yung passion namin for each other that it drives us away. And there's other things in our life that we want to do that blinds us. And then we go after that and then realize, I should have gone after the one that I love. And then, yun na nga, kukwento ko na may boost. Tama na.
Hanggang doon lang muna.
Hanggang doon na lang muna.
Di ba po kasama rin si Meg Imperial dito? Yan. Oo. Okay. Meron ka pa? Wala na. Andito siya eh. Andito siya. Hindi na siya nakikita kasi bong yung stylist niya. Charot. Ikaw na next.
From Astig that page, Miss Mars. Ay, again na rin. Tatanungin ko muna si Colleen. Anong reaction ni Billy when he learned that you're gonna be doing, a movie with Derek and all, knowing Derek? May mga ano ba siya sa inyo? Warnings or or limitations or tender moments?
Actually, baliktad. He actually, kasi magkaibigan na sila. They know each other. So, kampante siya. And he knows naman how professional Derek is. Tapos, ayun, he trusts me also because I would never go over the top.
He trusts me more though.
Pareho naman tayo ang tinatrust niya. So he trusts the decisions I make then. I wouldn't make any bad decisions. So, ayun, syempre, he's nervous also with the outcome. But at the same time, he's been so supportive. And I could never ask for more from him because he's really been so supportive. Pati nga yung mga poster, pinapost niya eh. So, nakakagulat din at the same time.
Hooray for Billy.
Sinusupport niya na rin ako.
Sinusupport ka rin.
Pinagdala niya ako ng pagkain sa school.
Totoo yun.
For Papa Derek daw, how did you handle yung mga romantic scenes with Colleen, knowing that Colleen, this is her first starring movie opposite you? Did you also go mild or paano po yung chemistry niyo?
First off, I really tried to get to know Colleen before we got scenes like that. So, kinausap ko siya, I gained her trust, and I wanted to know who she really is so that we can be very comfortable with each other. And then, nung may mga scenes na nga kami, I just told her to trust me. Kasi nga, it's her first time to But when we shot it, parang hindi nga first time ng husay ng umarte. So, the advice I gave her is just, let's go all out para one take lang. Para it won't become uncomfortable in the take 2, take 3, take 4. So yeah, we did the scenes and parang it was just, parang wala naman. I was eating her face.
My hair.
Her hair.
Hair extensions ko, nagka-pimple siya nung marami dito.
last shooting. Sabi ni director, I want you to tip her. So sabi, okay. So I dipped her and then, oops, my face was in her boobs. Like, oh shit, sorry, I wasn't supposed to say that. I was like, oops, okay. But in character, she didn't break, she didn't know. It could have been like awkward moment, but no, she was really professional and we continued doing what we were doing. Very professional.
Professional, or Direk Gino, I think you're one of the...
Can we just share?
Sige. Additional anecdote.
Ito, sobrang convincing ng love scene namin. Yung, sorry, I have to share this kasi first time in my life, I don't think this will ever happen again. But yung kutsinta, di ko pa alam yung mga kutsinta, yung mga babae.
Wait, here! Yung scene
Kaya, story ko to eh!
Wait! Yung scene kasi ngayon, nag-iikot-ikot kami. Para bumikot na kami sa bed.
Ganun ka-wild yung bed scene.
Kailangan kita yung back ko. So, syempre, kailangan protected ka. Dalawa yung suot ko na kutsinta.
Whatever.
Kutsinta, ano ba talaga tinawag?
I know, that's why I thought kutsinta was a food. And then I saw it. Hindi naman siya mukhang kutsinta. Mukha siya. Something else, but nasa yung kutsinta.